Hello Ramailo people, welcome to our Greece series. If you are new to our channel, then this is the second series. Watch our first one if you haven't done so.
We walked down the stairs of Ammoudi Bay. We could smell the fresh aroma of the grill awaiting us at the bottom. Hello, handsome. They are huge. I was expecting them to be a little bit smaller.
We finally reached Ammoudi Bay. Whilst there, we sat in Katina Fish Tavern, right next to the waves.
We felt the cool sea breeze gently soothe us from the sun's heat. It was delightful. Whoa. Thank you.
Okay, wait, sorry. Start with this one. Oh, it's very soft. Trying an octopus tentacle this big was an experience. I had mixed feelings about it.
For the photo, my friend.
Yes.
Water napkins.
Thank you.
It's good.
The atmosphere was divine. It was a seafood lover's paradise.
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah? Kaide? The Greeks dry octopuses in the sun, which are then grilled with olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and dried Greek oregano.
The little port located about 300 steps below the town of Oia offered quite a sight to see.
Ammoudi Bay was a former fishing village set into the famous red cliffs of the island's caldera.
It is now filled with gorgeously rustic fish taverns with rocky landscapes.
Oia is a true beauty with its unique location. As we made our way out, traveling around in our car, we came across this quiet area.
Hello, so we just ended up in the weird ass beach. We are not sure what the name of this place is called, as we went off course the route on Google Maps.
Cue the music for the incoming drone footages.
Soon enough, it was time for us to get on the ferry and sail out of Santorini.
We had booked our ferry tickets online and printed them off, so the checking-in process at the port was very easy.
But getting to the port was an adventure. You had to come down a steep road. It was shaped like a zigzag.
The journey took us a couple of hours. The views we saw on the ferry ride kept us entertained.
The ferry had many outdoor and indoor seating areas that were comfortable.
We are excited to take you guys along with us to the next part of our Greece series.
I hope you guys stick around for the third series, where we will be heading to our next island.
Keep watching and see you next time.